successful trip starts with durable luggage. Hi, I'm Juan Phillips, Design Director at Travelpro. We know a thing or two when it comes to designing durable luggage for the frequent traveler. The overall concept of the VersaPack collection was inspired by the luggage that we provide to our flight crews and our pilots. We wanted to design this bag from seam to seam, creating the most capacity that you could possibly fit within check-in and carry-on standards. Also, something that we were looking to do is tie in a level of versatility with the different organizers that we provide to customize the luggage. So we developed 5 unique zip-in organizers with different configurations. So you can zip, pack, travel, and repeat with one carry-on, or add free-floating zip-in organizers to your check bag. We designed these in such a way so travelers would have options. Whether it's travel for business or leisure, or trips where you do a little bit of both. A personalized and well-organized luggage is the key to stress-free travel. Plus, with our comprehensive warranty, our VersaPack collection will ensure that every trip can be customized and stress-free.